What is going on, guys? Thank you very much for tuning in. Today we're going to be discussing on how to create a YouTube channel for less than $100 using just your laptop. So when it comes to starting to create your YouTube channel, the first thing that you need to figure out is, who am I serving? Because of course, if you're trying to solve problems with people through what I call content marketing, which is, what a YouTube platform is, you need to understand that, who am I trying to serve? Whose problems am I trying to solve? And once you get that down, then you go ahead and get the supplies that I'm going to show you in this video. Now, bear in mind, this can also be done primarily in a office setting or home setting, a room setting. It doesn't matter. It just really depends on what you're trying to convey. And as I tell people, it's not so much of the supplies I'm using, it is the content and the context people can extract. So if you have bad content with the best supplies, this YouTube channel thing is never going to work. And of course, I want you to know in advance, your first YouTube video is gonna suck. And I'm gonna post a link down in my description of my first YouTube video with horrible audio, and it was just bad lighting, the whole works. So understand that over the course of 2 years, I have finally been able to produce quality content, but I didn't start out being awesome. I didn't start out by being good. I failed and I learned, and then I would review. I'm like, what could I have done? How could I have spoken differently? Or whatever the case may be, I just kept on thinking, I don't want to stay the same. I need to get better as I grow. So, given in that sense, let's go ahead and just do a deep dive of what I use, and I'll post the links down in the description. And understand, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to help you guys out if you're debating on to start a YouTube channel and what is really important when it comes to creating content. Alright guys, so if you pay attention to here, this is HitFilm Express. I use HitFilm because it's a free video editing software, and I could do a lot with it. You just type in FX Home right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then you can just go ahead and see, how many creators are created. It's really good. They do accept cookies, all that stuff. You can do trainings. They pretty much teach you how to do a whole bunch of kind of video editing stuff, but if you're just doing basic video editing, then it may not pertain to you, but it's a really good software to use, and I definitely recommend it. The next thing that I use is, of course, a webcam. Now, you can definitely use the webcam that's here on your screen, but if you have a desktop or you need a better quality camera than the one that I have, then you can go ahead and get the Logi. It's really good because when it comes to the audio, I have an external microphone that I use here to get the best audio. And the most important thing is the audio. I want you to know that. That's the important part. When it comes to speakers, of course, I have the speakers here. Those are external just because I need to hear very good quality audio from this. And of course, because I only have 2 ports, I had to get another port to be able to put all my stuff together. And then kind of going over here, that's where the speaker is. Don't worry about the flask, it's empty. I have a lamp here that I use. It's a regular desk lamp. It gives me a little bit more lighting when things get dark. But the most important thing that you're really going to want is a light ring. Now, the light ring is so the light, like I used with the lamp here, it's not going to be as harsh. And it's so much easier to be able to, do videos, and it doesn't look so dark or murky. And that is pretty much on how you set up a YouTube channel. It's not that hard. You don't have to overthink. You do have to be very creative and think about what kind of quality content I want to put out. And of course, you can see here I have my books. I do a lot of reading. I read a book at least once a month, and then I'll change either from soft skills, conversation, psychology, business. I do a lot of reading, and in that case, as I tell everybody, you're not going to be perfect the first time. It's not going to be ideal. Who you want to serve at the end of the day is most important. As long as you have killer content, meaning that you truly believe in what you're selling and you're not trying to be an imposter. And that's kind of one of the things that's going to get you. If you're trying to copy somebody on another YouTube channel, yes, it will be very detrimental to your reputation. But that's exactly why I got out of style game and I got into the personal growth and professional development sector, because I didn't feel like an imposter syndrome. I didn't have that problem anymore. But anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think. I'm currently using my iPhone right now, and I'm using clips and a tripod, so that like it doesn't make a difference on how you create the content or anything like that. Just note that as long as you have quality content, everything else doesn't matter. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. You already know to follow me. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Until next time, guys, stay tuned. Take care.